Let's make some sourdough discard sandwich bread. To your bowl, add 250 grams of water, 20 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix this up and let it sit until it becomes foamy. Now that it's starting to get foamy, we're gonna add 100 grams of sourdough discard, 500 grams of bread flour, 4 tablespoons of softened butter, and 10 grams of salt. Go ahead and place it on your KitchenAid and then start mixing this together. So now you can kind of see how it's formed a ball. Go ahead and knead this for 3 to 6 minutes in your KitchenAid, or by hand if you want to. Now that this is done kneading, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Go ahead and form your dough into a ball. I'm gonna spray this bowl some with some olive oil. Place that back in there, cover, and let rest for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. So my dough has doubled in size. So what I'm gonna do first is take a bread pan and I'm going to spray it really well with some olive oil. You can use butter too if you want. And then set your pan aside. Lightly sprinkle your countertop with flour and then add your dough. And then we're gonna get this out to a rectangle. I'm gonna fold the sides in and then I'm gonna roll it up. Place it in your bread pan and then cover and let it rest for about another hour until it doubles again, and then we will bake it. My dough is done rising. When it got to the top of it, I went ahead and took off the cover so it didn't stick to it, but I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees and I'm going to cook this for 40 minutes. If you want to, before you stick it in the oven, you can put butter on it. I'm going to do it after I cook it. There we go. It is all done cooking. Pretty proud of my first loaf of sourdough discard bread. I'm going to let this completely cool before I cut it. I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. But in the description below, I'll put the full recipe, and then make sure you join me for more recipes.